everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to 1v1 your friend in CS2 and you are looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So for that, what you can do is once you are into the CS2, you can look out for the settings option in the top left and select it. And that should open up your settings up right here. From this option right here, you can just go over and go to the game section right here. Now, once you go to the game section here under game, you can find option for enabling the developer console. So you need to select this option right there and then click on yes and select the option of yes from there. Once that is done, you can head back to your main home page, and within here what you may do is you can create a lobby. So for that, select this option of play, and from playing you can select up your friend that you would like to play. You can invite the friend, you can look out for the invite option and select it, and within there you can look out for the invite option. Once you click on your profile and once you invite it from the friends list available, you will be taken to the section right here. So you can look out for the works, shop, maps, matchmaking, practice, etc., in which team you would like to go, and invite your friends casually. And once that is done, for example, workshop maps, you need to select it and select this option of go in the bottom right corner of your screen and click on it. And then you can select up your mode. You can play offline, competitive, casual, or competitive. You can select one of the options and click on go. And once that is done, you can select if you want to be the terrorist or the counter-terrorist. And then once you select one, it should start the game. And there you will be playing with your friend in the CS2 very easily. And in game, you can open up the console and type bot slash kick to remove the bots right there. And in the game, you will be finding yourself with a friend that you're trying to play, and that's it. So therefore, everyone, we hope this video was helpful to you. You may follow up these steps for that. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.